Chihuahua Obedience Training, Basic Commands, and Beyond. If you are a proud owner of a Chihuahua, you know that these tiny dogs can be full of attitude and spunk. While their small size may lead some to believe they are easy to handle, Chihuahuas can actually be quite stubborn and independent. This is why obedience training is crucial for their well-being and the harmony of your household. In this article, we will discuss some basic commands you can teach your Chihuahua, as well as taking their training beyond the basics. With patience and consistency, you can help your Chihuahua become a well-behaved and obedient companion. Basic commands. 1. Sit. Teaching your Chihuahua to sit is a fundamental command that sets the foundation for other commands. Start by holding a treat close to your dog's nose and then raise it slowly above their head. As your Chihuahua follows the treat with their head, their bottom should naturally lower to the ground. When this happens, say sit and reward them with the treat. 2. Stay. Once your Chihuahua has mastered the sit command, you can move on to teaching them to stay. Start by having your dog sit, then hold your hand up, palm facing towards them, and say stay. Take a step back and wait for a few seconds before returning to your dog. If they stayed in place, give them praise and a treat. Gradually increase the distance and duration of the stay command. 3. Come. Teaching your Chihuahua to come when called is essential for their safety. Start by getting down to their level and saying their name followed by the command come in a cheerful and inviting tone. Gently pat your thigh or use a treat to encourage them to come towards you. Once they reach you, reward them with praise and a treat. For leave it, Chihuahuas can be curious and prone to picking up objects that may be harmful to them. Teaching them the leave it command can help keep them safe. Start by placing a treat in one hand and closing your fist around it. Offer your closed hand to your dog and say leave it. If they try to sniff or paw at your hand, give a firm no and wait for them to back away. As soon as they do, praise them and offer them a different treat from your other hand. Taking training beyond the basics. 1. Socialization. Chihuahuas are known to be wary of strangers and other animals. Socializing them from a young age can help reduce fear and aggression towards others. Expose your Chihuahua to different people, animals, and environments in a controlled and positive manner. Reward them for calm and friendly behavior to reinforce positive associations. 2. Crate training. Crate training can provide your Chihuahua with a safe and cozy space they can call their own. Introduce the crate gradually, using treats and praise to create positive associations. Start with short periods of time and gradually increase the duration. Never use the crate as a punishment, as this can create negative associations with it. 3. Leash training. Chihuahuas can be prone to pulling on the leash, making walks a struggle. Start by using a properly fitting harness or collar and a lightweight leash. Begin training in a quiet and familiar environment, rewarding your Chihuahua for walking calmly beside you. Gradually increase the distractions and duration of your walks, always being patient and consistent with your training. For advanced commands, once your Chihuahua has mastered the basic commands, you can challenge them with advanced commands such as lie down, roll over, or even fetch. Remember to break down each command into small steps and reward your dog for each successful attempt. Training sessions should be short but frequent to keep your Chihuahua engaged and interested. In conclusion, Chihuahua obedience training is essential for their well-being and the overall harmony of your household. By starting with basic commands and gradually progressing to more advanced ones, you can help your Chihuahua become a well-behaved and obedient companion. Remember to always be patient, consistent, and use positive reinforcement techniques. With time and effort, your Chihuahua will become a model of obedience and a joy to have around.